So I'm here for 4 days in Luxembourg, in and around Luxembourg, and then Trevor and I are going to head over to Germany and try and get over to the Eagles Nest on the Austrian border via the Alpinestrasse, the German Alpine route. It should be a novelty. Their website says you should spend 7 to 8 days doing the route. We're going to do it in a day. Nuts. It should be a good chuckle. Hello, Belgian cows. Moo moo. Got a quick stop for a coffee and a snack. Now we just got to get through the villages in Belgium before we end up in the Principality of Luxembourg.
I've got to tell you, the reverse gear.
I hope that was recording, but we've just been through the village of Willies. We went past Willies Chips, Willies Cafe. Oh, look, Willies Reservoir. Childish. They do.
Arrived in Vianden, the magnificent Vianden castle, all lit up at night. 510 kilometres today, job done.